Thank you everybody for watching my video lessons and liking it. You know, you are so special to me. And I already shared one very important secret that I did my schooling from a vernacular medium. I never went to any English medium school. So guys, you know what used to happen? In my English subject, we were told translation. And I used to understand translation so minutely, but I failed. मुझे ना ये translation कभी समझ में नहीं आता था. I never understood translation in my life. And then finally what happened? I'll tell you by the end of this video. जी हाँ दोस्तों, जब तक आप इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखोगे, you will come to know ऐसा कौन सा secret? What was that secret which helped me to feel confident? Because you also know, to become confident, it is important that my English should be 100% grammatically correct. Am I right? Hi guys, जो मुझे नहीं जानते हैं, मैं हूँ सुभाष कार्तिक and I help people to speak English fluently, correctly and impressively. And today's lesson I'll tell you how to speak English correctly. Because when you speak English correctly, you will feel, wow, there will be an amazing confidence in yourself. You'll feel extraordinary power. I'll tell you only one secret. Yes, I'll tell you only one secret how to speak English correctly, and I'm telling you, you will be 70% more confident after this वीडियो लेसन. जी हाँ दोस्तों, आज का लेसन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है और बहुत छोटा भी. और मैं 10 तरीके नहीं बोलने वाला ना, 5 तरीके बोलने वाला हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू ओनली वन वे टू स्पीक इंग्लिश करेक्टली. लेट्स बिगिन. Whenever we speak in English or any other languages, we speak 3 types of tense: past, present and future. Am I right? I think you understand this. चाहे कोई भी लैंग्वेज हो, हम या तो पास्ट में बोलते हैं जो हो चुका है, या जो अभी हुआ है प्रेजेंट, और या तो जो होने वाला है. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, दिस इज कॉल्ड पावर ऑफ वन वर्ब. जी हाँ, पावर ऑफ वन वर्ब. आपको पता है, सिर्फ एक वर्ब से आपकी इंग्लिश की 60 से 70% प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो सकती है. व्हाट इज दैट? Guys, I just want to tell you a very easy thing. Try to use one verb in a sentence. Yes, this is the secret. I know you might be you might be expecting something more. Sir, कुछ बहुत बड़ा कुछ बोलने वाले हैं, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, क्योंकि English is an easy language. इसमें बड़ा सीक्रेट नहीं है भाई. And you know why English is easy? Because most of the time, please listen to me, most of the time when we speak in past or present, we use only one verb. We use only one verb. If I'm using present, I'm using only present tense. One verb. I go to market. मैं market जाता हूँ. I read English. I watch TV. I talk to you. I see you. All present. एक verb से. Okay, let's talk about past. I went there. I saw him. I glanced at her. I felt bad. I felt awesome. I spoke to you yesterday. Believe me, all my sentences have one thing in common, and that is number of verbs are only one. सिर्फ एक वर्ब के जरिए आप प्रेजेंट में और पास्ट में इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हो. एटलीस्ट 70% सेंटेंसेस आपकी 100% सही होगी. फ्रेंड्स, वी ऑल नो दैट tense is very important, right? Tense. And you know, in tense there are 12 types of sentence, but I'm not going to talk about tense today. In my future video lessons, I'll tell you tense is so easy. So please do subscribe my channel, because I'm going to make amazing video lessons. I assure you, मैं बोलता हूँ पक्का आपको, if you keep on watching my videos and apply and execute जो भी मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ within 90 days. Yes, this is my 90 days project. Your problem of English will be solved. Yes. And this is not about the magic of Subhash Kartik. Absolutely not. This is the magic of the tips and techniques whatever I'm going to give it to you. Okay, so tense में एक अलग वीडियो मैं बनाऊंगा, सुपर वीडियो होगा, जरूर देखना. Okay, now let's come to future. And always remember, whenever we speak in future, we use minimum 2 verbs because you cannot make future sentence with one verb. So future में हम एक verb से तो बना नहीं सकते, इसीलिए मजबूरी में हमें 2 verb की इस्तेमाल करनी पड़ेगी, और वो भी बहुत easy, and that too very easy. You have to start your sentences with will and shall. Yes, will and shall. And then you have to put the base verb. Base verb को mother form भी बोला जाता है. Always remember this. इसके बारे में हम आगे बात करेंगे. Base verb, that is the main verb. Suppose I will go tomorrow. मैं जाऊंगा कल. I will is a future verb. I shall, मैं shall का use भी कर सकता हूँ. I shall go tomorrow. मैं कल जाऊंगा. I shall talk to you. We shall plan for this. हम इसके बारे में plan करेंगे. We shall plan for this. I will think on this. मैं इसके बारे में सोचूंगा. Simple guys. When you speak in future tense, you will use minimum 2 verbs. Present, past, 1 verb. Future, 2 verbs. As simple as that. And I'll tell you, most of the time you talk about any expert English communicators you have seen in your life. कोई भी English communicators को पकड़ लो आप और उसको अच्छे से सुनो. Try to listen to that person. Out of 10 sentences, he or she will be speaking 7 sentences with 1 verb. अगर past or present है तो 1 verb. And he or she will be using 2 verb minimum if that person is speaking in future. Why you are taking a lot of tension? Speak English correctly and live with honor, live with respect. And the most important thing, live with dignity. You know, dignity क्या चीज होती है? अपने को respect करना, जो बहुत important है. And the day you will apply this secret, जो आपके 70% problem को solve कर सकती है, just use 1 word. बाकी के 30% देख लेंगे, अभी उसके बारे में सोचो ही मत. Let's target. When I speak English next time, I speak with 1 word. Present होगा तो go, feel, dance, sing, talk, watch. अगर past होगा तो saw, felt, spoke, went. और future होगा तो बस shall और will का use करेंगे. और base word. Now if you are thinking sir, shall or will, what should I use? If you are using I or we, you can use shall and will both. और I और we को छोड़ के कोई भी use करो. You use anything, you can only use will. Thank you very much. बहुत अच्छा लगा आज आप लोगों से बात करके because this is a very sensitive topic. Because when I came to know about this secret, I felt powered. Yes, at least I felt that I know verb. मुझे verb का ज्ञान तो था ही पहले से and I know present and past. So मैं क्यों नहीं बोल पाऊंगा? Why can't I speak? मैं बिना वजह इतना टेंशन ले रहा हूँ. If you know verb, past forms and present forms, speaking English correctly will be the most easiest task for you. Absolutely. So guys, how to speak English correctly with the use of correct grammar का ये first part था. हम आगे के part में और देखेंगे कि English को और बेहतरीन तरीके से सिर्फ 70% नहीं 100% correctly कैसे बोला जाए. How to speak English correctly 100%. Do subscribe my channel to know more secrets about this. So guys, next time I'll come with some amazing topic. But one more thing, if you are facing any problem in English communication, चाहे वो fluency हो, correction हो, or anything, or public speaking, whatever it is, if you have any problem, write down in the comment section. Please write down. Right now you write down so that I'll see to your comment and I'll make an amazing video which will change your communication game. जो आपकी communication के game को gargantuan level में ले जाए. Absolute. So guys, thank you very much. सुभाष कार्तिक is signing off. फिर मिलेंगे एक नए टॉपिक में. अपने को बॉस कॉन्फिडेंट फील कराना इंग्लिश में. और ये मेरा प्रोजेक्ट है. रहो मेरे साथ 90 days के प्रोजेक्ट में and you will see drastic change in your English communication. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.